Hi everyone, Ian Aldridge here from Progressive Legal, talking about trademarks today with examination reports and what to do if you get an adverse examination report from IP Australia. Now there's a couple of reasons why you might get an adverse examination report from IP Australia about your trademark. Usually what happens is after you've filed your trademark application, you get a notice of filing, and then a couple of months later the mark will be examined. Now at that point in time, IP Australia will indicate whether or not it has an issue with the mark, or whether it thinks that somebody else that's already registered may have an issue with the mark. And it could be that the trademark is broad and likely to be needed by other traders. It could be that the trademark is too descriptive, i.e. that it does what it says on the tin. Or it could be that other registered trademark owners, it might be just too close for comfort from an IP Australia perspective. They look at these two applications side by side without any preference to either of them and just see, is this new application going to potentially infringe on this other trademark application or the registered trademark that's on the register already. If it's too close for comfort in terms of doing the same or similar activities in classes or related activities in different classes. And what you do once you've got the adverse examination report is consider what the examiner has highlighted, and then consider whether evidence of use of the trademark will overcome the objections, or whether an amendment to the classes and activities might be possible to get it over the line, so to speak. Usually you can talk to these trademark examiners and get a feel for what kind of evidence of use might be required, or whether there's an amendment to the application that can be made to potentially strike out some of the activities or potentially classes, depending on how close it is to other registered trademarks. And it's all on a case-by-case basis. Having a lot of knowledge and experience around these areas definitely helps to make sure that you can guide the trademark process through. At a point where you get an adverse examination report, I'd highly recommend you get someone that knows what they're doing to try and navigate through and hopefully get you some protection over the mark, so that all the time and energy and cost is not wasted. Hopefully that's answered some questions about examination reports today. If you have any more questions, please feel free to PM me or go to the website progressivelegal.com.au. Thanks a lot.